In general, it is not recommended to attach conduit and boxes to chain link fences for electrical installations. Chain link fences are not considered a suitable mounting surface for electrical components due to several reasons. Firstly, safety concerns. Chain link fences are not designed to support electrical equipment. Attaching conduit and boxes to a fence can create a potential tripping hazard or electrical shock risk. Secondly, code violations. Electrical codes, such as the National Electrical Code, typically prohibit the installation of electrical equipment on fences. This is because fences are considered to be a potential hazard for electrical workers and may not provide adequate support for electrical components. Thirdly, structural damage. Attaching conduit and boxes to a chain link fence can damage the fence over time. The weight of the electrical components and the vibrations from electrical equipment could cause the fence to sag or pull away from its supports. Instead of attaching conduit and boxes to the chain link fence, consider using other methods to provide electrical power in the shop area. One option is to install standalone electrical panels. Install a standalone electrical panel that is mounted on a wall or structure near the shop area. Run conduit from the panel to provide power to the receptacles. Another option is to use overhead electrical lines. If the shop area has a ceiling, overhead electrical lines can be installed to provide power. The lines can be suspended from the ceiling using conduit or cable trays. Another option, if possible, is to bury electrical lines underground and running them to a designated area for the receptacles. For safety and code compliance, it is always best to consult with a licensed electrician for the design and installation of electrical equipment.